Welcome into All Old Rare Coins, another exciting video, where we uncover the hidden treasures in your coin collection. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of the United States $1 coin minted between 1797 and 1801. This coin is not just a piece of metal, it's a window into history and a collector's dream. Imagine holding a piece of America's early days, a time when the nation was still finding its footing. The $1 coin of this period is commonly referred to as the draped bust dollar, named after its striking design. The obverse side features a portrait of Lady Liberty, her hair flowing elegantly, embodying the spirit of freedom and hope. The reverse showcases an impressive eagle, a proud symbol of the fledgling United States. This coin was struck during the presidency of John Adams, the second president of the United States. It represents a crucial era in American history, as the country navigated its way through challenges to establish itself on the world stage. The artistry and craftsmanship of these coins reflect the values of a young nation striving for greatness. But why is this coin so valuable today? First, its age and rarity make it a prized possession among collectors. Coins from this period were produced in limited numbers, and many have been lost or damaged over time. Finding one in good condition is like discovering a piece of buried treasure. Second, the historical significance of the draped bust dollar adds to its appeal. It's not just a coin, it's a tangible link to the past, to the struggles and triumphs of early America. Collectors and historians alike cherish it for the stories it tells. Finally, the value of this coin is further boosted by its stunning design. The detail in Lady Liberty's portrait and the majestic eagle on the reverse side make it a true work of art. These coins were struck in 89.2% silver, adding to their allure and intrinsic value. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part: its worth today. If you're lucky enough to own a draped bust dollar from 1797 to 1801 in excellent condition, its value can reach extraordinary heights. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for these coins, making them a significant investment. Are you ready for the jaw-dropping figure? A well-preserved draped bust dollar from this period can be worth as much as $90,000. Yes, you heard that right, $90,000. Now, we're exploring a modern yet fascinating treasure, the USA $1 coin minted in the year 2000. While it may seem like just another coin at first glance, this piece of history holds secrets that make it a must-have for collectors. The USA $1 coin from 2000 is known as the Sacagawea dollar, a tribute to the legendary Native American woman who played a pivotal role in the Lewis and Clark expedition. Her portrait graces the obverse of the coin, beautifully designed with her carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste. This image symbolizes strength, perseverance, and the significant contributions of Native Americans to the country's history. The reverse of the coin is equally captivating, featuring a majestic eagle in flight, surrounded by 17 stars, representing the states in the Union during Sacagawea's time. The intricate details of this design, combined with its golden appearance, make this coin stand out in any collection. When the Sacagawea dollar was first introduced, it was hailed as a groundbreaking design. It was the first U.S. coin to feature a Native American woman and one of the few modern coins struck in a distinctive golden color. Though it wasn't made of real gold, the unique alloy of copper, zinc, manganese, and nickel gave it a vibrant hue that caught everyone's attention. But why is this coin so valuable today? While billions of these coins were minted for circulation, some rare varieties and errors from the year 2000 have skyrocketed in value. One of the most famous examples is the Cheerios dollar. In early promotions for the coin, select 2000 Sacagawea dollars were distributed in Cheerios cereal boxes. These particular coins featured enhanced detailing on the eagle's feathers, a design variation that makes them incredibly rare and highly sought after by collectors. Other error coins from the year 2000 include off-center strikes, die clashes, and double strikes. These minting mistakes are like hidden treasures, as they are produced in very small numbers and often by accident. Such errors make these coins unique and increase their value significantly. Now, let's talk about the most thrilling aspect: how much this coin is worth today. If you're lucky enough to own a rare version of the 2000 Sacagawea dollar, such as the Cheerios dollar or one with a significant error, its value can soar to astonishing heights. Are you ready for the big reveal? A well-preserved and rare 2000 USA $1 coin could be worth as much as $10,000. That's right, $10,000. Next, we're diving deep into the story of the USA $1 coin minted between 1789 and 1797, a coin that embodies the spirit of a nation in its infancy and remains one of the most prized possessions for collectors. This coin is more than just a piece of currency, it's a symbol of the United States' early days. Known as the flowing hair dollar, it was the very first silver dollar minted by the United States under the newly established government. This coin reflects the vision of a young and ambitious nation and represents a milestone in American numismatic history. On the obverse, the coin features the iconic flowing hair design of Lady Liberty, her hair flowing freely in the wind. This striking image was meant to symbolize the liberty and independence the United States had recently achieved. The reverse of the coin is equally remarkable, showcasing a small, majestic eagle surrounded by an intricate wreath, a design that celebrates freedom and unity. The flowing hair dollar was minted for just 2 short years, from 1794 to 1795, and even fewer coins were minted with dates stretching into the presidency of George Washington, who served from 1789 to 1797. Its limited mintage and historical significance make it one of the most sought-after coins in American history, but what makes this coin truly fascinating is its rarity and its story. During this period, the United States Mint was still in its infancy, and every coin was struck by hand. Each piece carries the marks of the early minting process, with slight variations that make each coin unique. Many of these coins were heavily circulated or melted down over the years, meaning that finding one in excellent condition today is an extraordinary feat. Collectors treasure the flowing hair dollar not only for its age and rarity but also for its connection to George Washington's presidency. This coin serves as a tangible link to the time when the United States was laying its foundations, making it a prized addition to any collection. Now, let's get to the part that everyone has been waiting for: its value in today's market. Owning a flowing hair dollar from the period of 1789 to 1797 is like owning a piece of history, and collectors are willing to pay a premium for these remarkable coins. Are you ready to hear just how much this coin could be worth? If you're fortunate enough to have a well-preserved flowing hair dollar in your collection, its value could reach an incredible $75,000. That's right, $75,000. Look at next. We're diving into a lesser-known but incredibly fascinating coin, the USA $1 coin from the years 1949 to 1950. This coin holds a unique place in the world of numismatics, and its value today might just surprise you. The USA $1 coin of this era is commonly referred to as the peace dollar, a design that symbolizes hope and resilience. Originally introduced in 1921 to commemorate the end of World War I, this coin was brought back in limited quantities in the late 1940s and early 1950s. Its elegant design and historical significance make it a treasure for collectors. The obverse of the peace dollar features a stunning portrait of Lady Liberty, her hair swept back, crowned with rays of sunlight. This image represents the dawn of a new era of peace and prosperity. On the reverse, you'll find a majestic bald eagle perched on a rock, holding an olive branch, a powerful symbol of peace. Beneath the eagle, the word peace is inscribed, reinforcing the coin's message. Coins from 1949 to 1950 are especially rare for several reasons. During this time, the United States Mint was focused on producing smaller denominations, and silver dollar production was minimal. Many coins from this period were melted down or lost over time, making surviving specimens highly desirable. Adding to their rarity, these coins were struck with precision, and finding one in pristine condition is a true collector's dream. The peace dollar also holds cultural and historical significance. It was minted during a time of global rebuilding, as the world recovered from the devastation of World War II. This coin serves as a reminder of America's aspirations for peace and unity during a challenging period in history. But why is this coin so valuable today? The answer lies in its rarity and condition. Collectors prize coins that are well preserved, with sharp details and minimal wear. Proof versions of the peace dollar, struck with an extra sharp finish for collectors, are especially sought after. Any errors or unique minting marks on these coins can further enhance their value, turning them into true numismatic treasures. Now, let's talk about what you've all been waiting for, the potential worth of this extraordinary coin in today's market. If you happen to own a USA $1 coin from 1949 or 1950 in exceptional condition, it could be worth a staggering amount. Are you ready for the big number? A pristine example of this coin could be valued at an astonishing $69,000. That's right, $69,000. In the last, we're turning back the clock to explore the fascinating story of the USA $1 coin minted between 1837 and 1841. This coin is a treasure of American history and one of the most sought-after collectibles for enthusiasts around the world. The USA $1 coin from this period is known as the Gobrecht dollar, named after its designer, Christian Gobrecht. Introduced in 1836, this coin was revolutionary for its time, featuring a new design and cutting-edge minting techniques. By 1837, it became the centerpiece of American coinage, representing a period of innovation and growth in the United States. On the obverse, the Gobrecht dollar showcases the iconic image of Lady Liberty seated gracefully on a rock, holding a shield and a staff. This design, known as the Seated Liberty, was a powerful symbol of strength and freedom, capturing the spirit of a young and thriving nation. The reverse features a majestic eagle soaring through the air, embodying the country's ambition and determination to reach new heights. What makes this coin so special is its rarity and historical significance. The Gobrecht dollar was produced in limited quantities, and each piece was meticulously crafted to ensure exceptional quality. Coins from 1837 to 1841 are particularly rare, as they were minted during a transitional period in American coinage. These coins were not only used as currency but also served as prototypes for future designs, making them invaluable to collectors and historians alike. Adding to its allure, the Gobrecht dollar represents the presidency of Martin Van Buren, who served as the 8th President of the United States from 1837 to 1841. This was a time of political and economic challenges, including the Panic of 1837, which tested the resilience of the nation. Owning a coin from this era is like holding a piece of history in your hands, a tangible link to a defining moment in America's past. Collectors treasure the Gobrecht dollar for its artistry, historical context, and rarity. Over the years, many of these coins have been lost, melted down, or damaged, making surviving examples incredibly valuable. The few that remain, especially those in excellent condition, are true gems in the world of numismatics. But now, let's talk about the most exciting part, its value in today's market. If you're lucky enough to own a USA $1 coin from 1837 to 1841, you could be in for a life-changing surprise. These coins are highly sought after by collectors, with their value depending on factors like condition, rarity, and historical significance. Are you ready for the incredible number? A well-preserved Gobrecht dollar from this period could be worth an astonishing $95,000. That's right, $95,000, so, take a closer look at your collection, or keep an eye out for this historical treasure. You never know, you might just discover a coin that holds both a rich history and a small fortune. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other coin enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more amazing stories and discoveries. See you in the next one.